Do you play FPS games? In this video, we're using AI to generate high-quality FPS game assets, from rifles and knives to fully textured weapon skins, and we can preview how they look in-game. First, let's try the image to 3D feature. You can upload multiple reference images together. I'm dropping these weapon concepts into the platform, and after a few seconds, the AI will generate a full 3D model. You can also try out our texture feature. One really cool thing about it is that it lets us generate different weapon skins or easily swap out materials and appearances for the model. Right now, new users can get 1,300 free credits when signing up. So if you want to try creating your own FPS game assets, this is a pretty good time to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI game creation content like this.